Hey friends, my name is Fern Segura and I'm the owner of Bull Detailing. Now perhaps in the past I've detailed your car, I've done some sort of work, I've coated it, I've sealed it, I've polished it. And one of the top questions that I do receive is how do I wash my car? How do I wash it the right way? And today I want to be able to kind of walk you through the process of properly washing your car. I do value your investment. So I want to be sure that you're maintaining your car properly at home so that you're able to get the lifespan out of whatever chemical or product I put on your car. Now, one of the most important things when it comes to washing your car is what kind of soap you're using. Now, this is a vital part because you're able to actually strip any sealant that I put on your car by the soap that you choose. Obviously, you don't want something like Dove dish soap because it'll strip every single part of the sealant. So you have to be kind of wise. So check it out. So on this process of you taking the step of washing your own car, maybe you've been taking it to the cruise through. Maybe you've paid someone to come wash your car. They've charged you pretty cheap because the service is pretty cheap at times. And you're finally taking the step of actually taking the initiative of, I'm going to start washing my car so I know exactly what I do to it. Especially if you just got your car paint corrected or polished. That is huge because obviously there was something happening pre the polish that was causing swirls or imperfections on your paint. So the number one thing that you must do is invest in the right soap. So maybe you got your car detailed, and the next thing for you to do is to not only pay to detail your car, but now you have to pay to purchase the right products for your car. Now today I chose some of the most basic products that you could find at your local Walmart, AutoZone, O'Reilly, whatever it may be. So that you're actually able to, so you're set up for success. I didn't choose, obviously I'm a detailer, I use a lot of different products, but today I just kind of chose what I saw over the counter at the local store. So the number one thing that you want to do is find a good soap and a pH balanced soap that's going to be able to actually maintain and take care of the sealant or coating that you put on your car. So what I did find at Walmart, actually, if you don't know, Walmart does carry some Chemical Guy stuff. I like Chemical Guy soap at times. I do use them here once in a while. Here I have Citrus Car Wash, and it's actually a pH balanced soap. If you look on the actual description of the product, you'll be able to see of the soap. You're able to see everything that's involved in it, and you actually say that it's safe on sealants and waxes. So you want a pH balanced soap. It doesn't have to be this one here. It could be any other one that is pH balanced and safe on waxes and sealants. So that's number one thing you want to be able to invest in is good soap. Another product that you want to invest in is a good wash mitt. Now, this is a Rack Company wash mitt. It is an awesome wash mitt, super plush, super good. I love it. And you protect the paint. It's actually microfibers that actually will start you start getting on your paint as you're washing it. That's exactly what you want, is something soft, something plush, something that's going to be able to grab onto the sides of the soap, so you're able to actually not cause or apply any sort of imperfections or swirls on your paint because you just obviously got it detailed. So you want to be able to have something that's on the pricier level. Now you might be able to find something on at the local store, local auto parts store, or Walmart or Target, whatever it may be, but sometimes they're pretty cheap. And you don't want to use a sponge, you don't want to use just towels, you don't want to use a dish sponge or something of that sort. You want to be able to invest at least $15-20 on a good wash mitt, because if you're able to maintain it properly, it will actually last you a while. The thing about wash mitts is it's important that you wash them after you use them. You don't want to leave them in the bucket because that's how it starts going to waste. So if you maintain it properly, you're able to get a lot of life out of it. So a good wash mitt is always vital in the washing process of your car. Now the third thing that you're going to need as you begin to wash your own car at home and washing it properly is some good microfiber towels. Now here I have a Rag Company microfiber towel. Its purpose is to dry cars, right? So it's a little bit more plush, a little bigger, and it picks up water well. And it's a great towel. You can actually find this on Amazon or directly through them at ragcompany.com. Same idea as the actual wash mitt, where it's real soft. They use some of the best materials. Rag Company overall is a very reputable company, so definitely check them out. Now it's going to be tempting to purchase a chamois or something of that sort to wash your car with, or to dry your car with. The thing about chamois is that you can't really wash them. You can't really get the dirt off them. They pick up water well, but they actually scratch your paint. Any other sort of towels or any sort of product that you use besides microfiber towel, you're running the risk of inducing some swirls on your car again or scratching it. So there are many different variations of microfiber towels. You'll find that there are some that are thick. If you go to your local auto store or Walmart or something of that sort, you'll find that they sell microfiber towels by like 24 for like $6. The thing about them is that they're paper thin and they won't pick up any water. So do invest in some that feel pretty plush. I would definitely go the route of maybe visiting your local detailing store, or even going online and getting something through Amazon Prime, in which you're able to invest on some good towels. Now keep this in mind, you are washing your own car, so I would definitely recommend that you invest a good amount of money in washing products, so that you're able to actually, if you maintain them properly, you take care of them, they'll last you a long time. So I wouldn't cheap out on washing products. Especially if you really care about your car, it looks good, you want to wash it once a week, want to take it out to a local car meet or whatever it may be. Invest in pretty good washing products so they last you longer and they protect your car better. So definitely some microfiber towels. Rag Company is a great company that I would check out. They make some great products. They have a lot of content online, and that is something in which I do appreciate, is a lot of these companies that put out products that they actually have YouTube videos. They have long descriptions on their websites on the purpose of each towel, so that you're actually able to know what you're going to use it for. There are different interior towels. For example, I have this 16 by 16. This is by autofiber.com, and I use this. It's super soft, and I use these for interior detailing. I use this one for drying, obviously. It's a little bit thicker, a little bit bigger, and I use this here to take off waxes and polishes and a bunch of different things. This is 16 by 24 and 325 GSM. And I could nerd out here, but I want to keep it as simple as possible. Buy a towel. If you look online, buy a towel that's intended to dry cars with. Now, here's a tip. As you're washing cars, as you're in the verge of drying your car after you wash it, wet it a little bit. Maybe you've tried to use microfiber towels and it wasn't picking up any water. Wet the towel a little bit and go ahead and start drying, and I promise you that's going to start picking up water quickly. Best product to use on drying a vehicle is a good soft microfiber towel with some plush on there, so that you're able to be as soft as possible on your paint. The fourth thing that you're going to need in washing your car properly are going to be 3 buckets. Now obviously I have one here. You want one for your wheels and 2 for your car or for your paint. The reason why is because you don't want to be putting whatever you're washing your rims with on the paint, such as brake dust, metal deposits, grime, all that. You don't want washing. You don't want to be using the same wash mitt, the same towels, the same products on your paint. So you separate that. So 1 bucket's for your wheels and 2 other ones are focused complete on your paint. I'll be discussing more about the bucket method as we begin to wash the car. So just to recap, you'll need good pH balanced soap. Now just read the label. Make sure you take your time on that. If you shop online, Google something that's safe on sealants and waxes. That's all you really need. Something that's going to set up real nice. Something that's going to foam up, because the foam is what you want as you're taking off dirt off your car. And the second thing that you need is obviously a good wash mitt, something that is plush and nice, something that's gonna be soft on your paint. The third thing that you're gonna need are some good quality microfiber towels that you could find either at Amazon.com or ragcompany.com. Check them out, read the descriptions, take your time. And the fourth thing that you're gonna need are buckets. You could go to Walmart You could go to the auto store. You'll find them for about $3. Buy 3 of those because they all have their purpose. You don't want to be using the same buckets for your entire car. As once you're done washing your car, make sure you're rinsing your buckets. Make sure you're taking them all out. A good option as you're purchasing buckets and washing products is to buy some grit guards. These are fantastic. You put them inside of your bucket, and it actually catches all the dirt. It keeps it in the bottom, so that every single time you're dunking your wash meat in there, the dirt's going to the bottom. You can actually rub your actual wash mitt on the grit guard and get rid of the dirt. So that as you're going back to your paint, you're not washing your car with some dirt. Okay, so the grit guard actually catches a lot of the dirt on there. Again, guys, I'm just kind of going over the essential things that you need for you to properly wash your car. This isn't intended for detailers on starting a business. It is intended for the average person that wants to take the step. Well, I want to wash my own car, but I want to do it properly. I've been doing it wrong. I've seen straws on my car, whatever it may be, that you want to start doing things correctly. I'm giving you the essentials of the things that you do need at home to go ahead and do that.